So you guys, we're just gonna get right onto this video. I purchased this hair from Wiggins Hair, and girl, when I tell you Wiggins is canceled, done, canceled. Like y'all, when I first got the wig in the mail, me and my friend already was clowning on the wig. We was like, girl, the wig only looked like it got a closure in there. Mind you, y'all, excuse me, I had already recorded this video with them, but I was having trouble with my storage, so I lost the footage. So now I have to record it all over. So I did curl this hair once before. I already washed this hair and deep conditioned it. This is the hair. See how you can see through this hair? That shouldn't happen. They claim this is 180 density, but it doesn't look like it to me. This hair is very, very thin. I think the wig is very poorly constructed. I'm not getting any shading. That's a good thing. But the wig is very, very thin. It's like not thick at all. Like I have synthetic wigs that's thicker than this. Like look at this. You can see through this. Like, no ma'am. Another thing I don't like about it, the wig lays flat in the front, but it doesn't lay flat in the back, because you can even see how it's like bulky right here. It's because how they sewed down the tracks, girl. Let me show y'all these tracks. So boom. You see how they sewed that down? It has one track going down, one track going up. That's by the closure. So, of course, it's not going to lay flat as it can if it got one track going up, one track going down. So, Wiggins, y'all need to get y'all thickness together. Y'all need to get how you lay your tracks together in this. They put this right here. Some hair in the inside. I don't like that. This wig, to me, is just poorly constructed. It's not 180 density. I have synthetic wigs that's thicker than that. You can see through this hair. Y'all, like I wish y'all could have saw it when it was freshly washed. I mean when it came freshly in the mail, because guess what, girl? It was not thick. Wiggins is canceled. The hair, the closure is great. I did put what is it called? Makeup on my lace. I put powder makeup on my lace. I have it in who is it by? Maybelline 355 coconut. But y'all, I'm just so disappointed in this wig, and this was supposed to be my hair for Valentine's Day. See how you can see through that? All them gaps. This was supposed to be my hair from Valentine's Day, but no. I'm about to compare. I'm about to show y'all Wiggins hair, and I'm about to show y'all my wig from Beauty Forever, and they both 180 density. I'm about to show y'all the difference in the thickness. Y'all don't mind my hair because I didn't wash this hair. This the Beauty Forever hair, this is my everyday wig. So, you know, I just be throwing the girl off. But look at this thickness. Do you see this thickness, and do you see this thickness? You can't tell me this is 180 density. Yes, this is longer hair, but that means longer hair should even be less thicker because it's longer hair. This is 16 inches. This is 24. So look how thick this is, y'all. This hair is so thick compared to Baldy over here. But you know what? I'm gonna stop complaining. It is what it is. I already purchased my coins. I had even went far as emailing them just to see, you know, if it really was 180 density. The lady was like, you could check it on a scale, blah, 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 blah. I'm just like, you know what? I already paid my money for it. I don't want my money back. I'm really not pressed about getting my coins back. Like, it is what it is at this point, girl. I could go buy me another wig. But I'm just about to brush this hair out for y'all. Like, bro. Like, look. This don't even look like a freaking wig, son. Look at the gaps. Hey, you see me? Girl, anyway. But the wig did come in this bag. It says Wiggins hair once met, never forgot. Baby, I already forgot, okay? It did come with stuff in a bag. Oh, I took the stuff out. No, it didn't come with them. It did come with stuff in the bag. It came with 2 wig caps, which I needed that, so that was clutch. It also came with this, yeah, I just got stuff falling. It also came with this so you could lay down your edges. So I thought they packaging and the stuff they had in the bag was really, really clutch because I need everything that came in that bag. The density of the wig and the construction of the wig is a no for me, so I won't be ordering from this company no more. But I would say that the quality of the closure is bomb. I did not pluck this closure, I did not bleach this closure, and it's bomb. This is a 6x6 closure. It is a 16-inch wig, and yes, everything else is cool. The quality of the hair is bomb, so that's why I'm so mad. Like, the thickness of the hair is not there. But y'all, I'm just about to throw this wig on for y'all and show y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna glue it down, because you know, with this being a 6x6, you know, you get the frontal effect, but you don't have to do all the work as a frontal. And I already had this wig on. The first time I had the wig on, I glued it down, but the second time I didn't glue it down, and all I did was my baby hairs, and it was clutch, you know. So I think I'm just about to put this wig on, do my baby hairs, and curl it for y'all, and then let y'all see the end product. And yes, let y'all just know my final results, even though I already know my results. But yeah. It also did come with 3 combs, but I took the combs out because y'all, them combs be getting on my nerves, y'all. Be getting on my... Should I do a side part? Maybe I should do a side part. I'm gonna do a side part today. I normally don't do side parts, y'all, because I don't like side parts on me. I like middle parts, but I'm gonna do a side part. See how I was talking about how it doesn't lay flat because how they laid the tracks? Y'all put mousse on there, got to be on there, everything, and it's still not laying flat. But yes, so I'm just about to go create some baby hairs, and then I'm going to curl my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished product. Y'all like my makeup today. It's almost Valentine's Day, and back I curled my hair. I ended up staying with the side part. This is it. Wish it was thick, but it's not. But it curled very pretty. I love how it curled. I mean, I still look flawless just with a thin wig. But yes, this is how it looks at the back.
What we do here is go back.
And see that lump right here? This is that lump I was talking about from how they laid the track. So it's not gonna lay flat because how they laid that track. But whatever. What is a cute thumbnail? Okay, you guys, but yes, so I did a side part. I did one little, you know, little baby hair. I can tuck it behind my ear if I want to. But yes, the hair is very, very soft. It's very manageable. Since I got the hair and washed it and did all that stuff, it has not shed yet, and I love that it didn't shed. I just wish that this wig was thicker and that it was constructed correctly. And also, one thing I forgot to tell y'all at the beginning, these, can I show y'all on this side? Yeah, I can show y'all on this side because I ain't laid it down. Okay, so do you see these ear tabs? Girl, when I tell y'all how, I don't know if it's like a certain way you're supposed to put ear tabs on, but the way they put them ear tabs on, oh my god, it is so annoying. And I thought since I took the comb out that it wouldn't be annoying, but it is. Them ear tabs is driving me, especially this one over here. So like the cons are the ear tabs, the thickness of the wig, and how the wig is constructed. The pros are the hair is very soft and manageable, it curls easily, and the texture is beautiful. So once again, this hair is from Wiggins Hair. I did get a 16-inch wig, and it's a 6x6 closure, and I did get it in Brazilian body wave. can't remember how much this hair costs. I don't never remember how much it costs, but I know I'm not ordering from there again. But I don't remember how much it costs, but I will have everything linked below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share my videos, and click that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for when I post a video. I'm posting videos all week, so turn on that notification bell. You hear? Okay. Toodles, my love.